Wow, look what these terrible winds did. I've heard it all yesterday, off and on, and I heard it. No, it wasn't yesterday. It was the day before yesterday. This quarantine shit is driving me crazy. Look what it did to this tree. This is something. It knocked this tree. It knocked this tree off the fucking stump. Look at that. Look at that shit. I can't walk. I don't want to walk in here to get a closer look. I don't want to do that because I don't want to get shot. You know, people on edge and shit today. I'm in Chicago, so that should explain it. I don't want to walk in here, so it's like, oh my god, it's a little bit clearer there. Yeah, just thought I'd show that short video, how strong and powerful that wind is. You know, I don't have a favorite element. I like them all. They all fascinate me in different ways. But wind is very interesting because even though you can't see it, it can be very, very strong where it can fucking throw shit that are like tons of weight around like paper. They can get that strong. Wind is very interesting in that regard. So with that being said, this is Y Chromosome signing out. Peace and love and good health to you all. Wow, look at that. Right off the stump.